Hey guys, welcome. As I said in my earlier video, we are going to use Termux for hacking on this channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Termux on Android. So stay tuned. First thing you might be asking yourself right now is, what is Termux? Termux is a free and open source terminal emulator for Android, which allows for running a Linux environment on an Android device. This means using Termux, you can run most Kali Linux commands on Android. Isn't that great? By the way, Linux is sort of like the operating system for hackers and penetration testers, so Termux is a dream come true. Here's how to install it. To download Termux, we are going to need to first download Fdroid. Fdroid is a software repository for Android, serving a similar function to the Google Play Store, meaning that you can download most of the apps that are not available on Play Store on Fdroid, and Termux is a such example. Now that you are aware, let's begin. Click on the first link above. Then download the Fdroid APK. Once it's done installing, launch the Fdroid application and search for Termux. I have mine already installed, so you might see an install, so click on the install. Now that we have Termux successfully installed, it's time to open the application. Okay, so now we have Termux successfully installed. Let's do a bit of exploration. You might have realized that using Termux with your default Android keyboard is a bit tedious. Who am I kidding? It's very difficult. So next, I'm going to show you how to install Hacker's Keyboard to make your Termux hacking experience more interesting. Stay tuned. Okay, so before we begin, let's get to know what Hacker's Keyboard is. A Hacker's Keyboard is an alternative input method on Android that provides advanced input, much like you get on a desktop keyboard. This includes Control, Alt, Shift and Cursor keys all on your Android device. Here's how to install it.